Hi guys, welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. This is Mike. So today I have the Treblab HD77 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. It's indoor and outdoor Bluetooth speaker. You can say like outdoor sports speaker. It's a rugged Bluetooth speaker. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. So we got in the box one Treblab HD77 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker, and this is Type-C charging cable, 3.5 mm audio cable, aux cable. So this is carabiner and multi-purpose strap. Nice, huh? And we got one interesting thing. So this is Treblab round logo sticker. That's nice, huh? And user manual, safety sheet, warranty card, these kind of stuff. Good. So this is our Treblab HD77 Bluetooth speaker. Nice material, huh? Rugged material, silicone on the sides and on the bottom. Nice for the sport. So this is for the strap, multi-purpose strap, multi-purpose use strap. Nice, huh? So these are LED lights. Two passive radiators on both sides with Treblab logo. That's nice. Nice Bluetooth speaker, huh? So this is power on off button, single press volume down, and long press to previous song, play pause button, and also if you receive a call, single press to answer a call, and after that single press to end the call. And if you want to reject the call, so long press for 2 or 3 seconds to reject a call. So this is volume up, single press for volume up and long press for next song. Nice function, huh? This is nice. It comes in multiple colors. So let's see what's here. Must be a, yeah. Okay, so this is Type-C charging connection, and this is aux cable connection, and this small one is reset button. You can use a needle to push for factory reset. Nice Bluetooth speaker, huh? Nice. So this is 360 degree, not 360 degree, loud 360 degree HD surround sound Bluetooth speaker with 20 watts of output, powerful 25 watt speaker. Awesome. And the playtime is, battery life is 20 hours. 20 hours of playtime in single charge. Battery that doesn't quit. All day power on a single charge. IPX6 Waterproof. Wow. You don't need to afraid of splashes. Turn your pool party into a dance party. And don't worry about splashes, rain or snow. It's a go. I repeat, rain or snow, it's a go. Shockproof body, perfect for your camping and hiking trips and will not get damaged by falls. So it's shockproof, drop-proof also. Built-in microphone for calls, for your calls, So ability to pair two speakers, so it means TWS. You guys can wirelessly connect two Bluetooth speakers for super loud pure stereo sound for big party, or for small party you can say for big sound. So carabiner and strap for multiple use. So one more thing, 100% money back guarantee plus 30-day return and with lifetime support. That's nice. So it's time to listen to music and check the performance of this Treblab HD77 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. So let me turn on the Bluetooth speaker, Treblab HD77, and I'm going to listen 2 or 3 songs to check the proper performance of this Bluetooth speaker. Wow, what a loud 360-degree HD surround sound. Crystal clear sound with deep bass. You can say astonishing sound. Astonishing sound. Nice. 25-watt powerful Bluetooth speaker, 20 hours of playtime, IPX6 waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, snowproof, built-in microphone, TWS pairing. Nice Bluetooth speaker. I like it. It's a loud Bluetooth speaker. The main thing is it's outdoor sports Bluetooth speaker, rugged Bluetooth speaker. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel 369 unboxing. Thanks for watching. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you.